Hey everyone, welcome to a Riverside HiFi video, and in this video we're going to be giving you an update on the apartment progress. A few of the exciting things we've already started on, you would have seen in the previous video if you have seen it, is we started dropping the ceiling down so we can incorporate things like ceiling speakers into the ceiling and also add extra insulation and put covers on the ceiling speakers, gives us just the extra depth. We've also added a in-ceiling projector, screen and electric lift so that when you turn it off everything just lifts straight up into the ceiling and it's completely flush. We're also having a TV along with the projector. This is all quite exciting for the master bedroom. We've also added on the wall just some markings where we'd actually change the room around a little bit. The bed was going to be on this side, it's now on the opposite side, but we'll be having extra sockets to future-proof it, again as mentioned in the previous video. So there'll be Cat6 speaker cables, sub cables, extra main sockets, so if you want to add the amplifier and all those kind of bits, skybox, etc., it can all easily be plugged in and hidden away when a cabinet's built, along with easy access for control with one of our smart home control devices. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like. A couple of other things you may notice behind me if you have seen the previous video. We're now missing the doors, so we decided to knock all the doors out. So that's another video, we'll show you an update on what's going on there. You may also see behind me there's quite a few holes in the rear wall, so we're actually putting in-wall ceiling speakers for the surround sound in the bedroom. A couple of other cool things I should mention we're doing in the ceiling is, as we do lighting as well as lighting control, we're putting some really nice lights, spotlights in the ceiling. We also actually do starlights for homes, so we're actually putting a starlight ceiling in as well, or a star-lighted ceiling, how do you want to call it. Another thing we're doing, which as the bed's now going on this side of the room, is we've put future-proofed it again, so it's got Cat6. It's also got light switches from one of our smart home systems next to the bed, above the bedside cabinets. We're also putting touch panels, so you can control the AV from the touch panels on either side of the bed if you didn't want to pick up the remote control. But the nice thing is the projector, the wireless streaming for music and the TV, all the AV will be off one remote. We're also putting underfloor heating and wireless radiator control, so you can control the heating basically from the app as well, or the touch panel on the wall. We're also doing a fireplace. Again, all of these devices, we're making it so that you can just use one app for everything, just to make life a lot easier. It's all part of our systems that we do as part of our full design and consultancy service. We're also putting electric blinds or curtains. We're not sure which one yet, but whichever way they're going to be electric, so that if when you hit pause or play or whatever you want, or literally if you just want to come into your room and hit the app to drop the blinds, if you're feeling tired after a hard day, that's obviously a possibility. We think we've covered pretty much everything for the master bedroom in this apartment. Not sure what your thoughts are, what else you may add, but in terms of audio visual, smart home things, we think it's pretty much covered. So yeah, we've still got a few bits to add that we will reveal in due course. But yeah, again, if you haven't hit that subscribe to keep up to date with the apartment renovation and obviously all our multi-room aspect of videos, hit it now, and don't forget to share and give us a like. Thanks a lot.